video will cover the basics of integrating the Axion Lighting DMX color lighting solution into a nice Elan automation system. To start, make sure you have downloaded the latest Elan driver from our website on the resources page. Next, we open Configurator and connect our project. The first thing I recommend is creating a new floor plan, level, and room. Next, we add that room to the desired interface so it becomes visible. After that finishes, move over to the Lighting tab and right-click on the Lighting Interfaces option. Select Add New Lighting Interface, then Axion Lighting DMX Controller. If you have changed the system password on the local UI of the DMX controller, start by entering that here. Next, update the IP with the address of the DMX controller you wish to control. Click the Apply button. To add a light, we right-click on the lighting devices and select Add New Device. There are 4 options: Dimmer device, which will control a single color or channel; Dimmer RGB multi-channel device, which will control an RGB color fixture; Dimmer spectrum multi-channel device, which is for RGBW fixtures; and Scene, which will recall a configured lighting scene from the DMX controller. Add your desired type, then change the display name to something that is more descriptive. Next, click the drop-down for location and select the building, level, and area this light should appear in, and click OK. Once complete, enter the DMX channel numbers for the red, green, blue, and white LEDs and click Apply. That's it! Your new light should show up in Viewer and any Elan apps or touch panels so you can select colors, presets, and more.